Lock accounts payable. This period close checklist task operates the same way as the lock accounts receivable task, but in this case, we lock the accounts payable ledger. Again, for NetSuite OneWorld customers, you can lock the AP ledger by a subsidiary. So what does that mean? Again, it will prevent users from posting transactions against any GL account that has a type of accounts payable. So in this case, think vendor bills, vendor credits, vendor payments, journal entries, those sorts of transactions. Let's jump into NetSuite now and validate. So here we have our January 2023 period close checklist. You will see that accounts receivable is already closed. Let's go ahead and close AP. And again, we can do that by a subsidiary because this is a OneWorld account. I'm going to go ahead and close for all entities. Now I'm going to log in as our AR clerk. Perhaps unrealistic, an AR clerk posting vendor transactions, but nonetheless, this will still serve the purpose of proving that we are unable to post transactions to the AP ledger now that we've closed it for January 2023. I'm going to go to financials and create a journal entry. We will pick a subsidiary. It doesn't really matter. Let's pick our US entity. I'm going to move that over here a second. Notice that we can select the accounting period January 2023 because the accounting period is still open. Let's go ahead and select our accounts payable account. The amount doesn't matter. Let's pick a random income statement account. Now let's try and save this transaction in the AR clerk role that does not have the override period restrictions permission in place, and knowing that the AP ledger is locked for January 2023. So we received this error message from NetSuite, which is correct. The geo impact of this transaction is in a closed period and cannot be changed. We're receiving that error message because we tried to post a transaction against the accounts payable ledger in January 2023.